You guys stay together, because I'm showing Paul stuff that's on you right now.
So, not sure how well we can see. We just went through a bunch of hail. Pretty sure my pretty van has hail. Oh, there it is. So, hail damage. What fun. They're moving, trying to get out of the way of the major part of the storm. Yes, the hail did get smaller, so maybe we won't lose the windshield.
A little bit of water right here. Hail's got pea-size now.
Pea-size hail. Pea-size hail. That'll make much smaller dents in the van.
Well, that's a clopper.
That would be Ron's taillights up there.
Right now, the hell for if you're getting out of it, of course, right behind you, there's going to be another area of larger hill behind that.
Great.
So, at this point, if y'all can get south, get south.
Alright, copy. So we don't want to go back north. I know where we're at now.
Oh,
So,
I heard
we do
another
not
big
want to go
ping.
north.
If you can find a south option, which will be
Hiwassee.
Road. Take Hiwassee Road south at least 4 miles.
Which is what Jonathan just texted and told me to do too.
Alright, copy. Follow me, guys. I know where I'm at. I take this way every day.
And we are following. Hail core is moving northeast at 30 miles an hour.
Good guys, this road does flood some, so be advised.
Hopefully,
since we don't have anything with the van.
So no Trump County storm severe warning is being reissued for both of those storms.
Oh, there's some water.
Oh, there's a big old ping.
And a hill. And a hill. Is that what's really hitting the van?
Some hail again. Be advised.
Yeah, we can.
Copy that last transmission from Ron.
Oh yeah, I didn't realize we weren't. Sorry, Ron.
What?
We weren't talking back to him.
You and I are live. Yeah. Man, we finally cleared that.
Yep.
That was a big hail.
Severe warning just fell off GR level 3.
Alright guys, this is maybe the calm before the storm, so let's see what we got going here.
Yep, it
Very
got bigger.
calm.
This is really quiet.
We are in the calm before the storm.
Hey David, I'm sitting at Memorial and Hiwassee. I can go up to Luther and then cut back. Are we going to miss the hail core, or we're going to run back into it because it's moving northeast?
If you're at Memorial and Hiwassee, go south another 2 miles and you should be clear of the hill. Well, you'll be clear of the storm
Copy that,
completely
Tim.
per radar.
Ooh.
Yeah, if you go south 2 miles, because let's see here, you would run across northeast 122nd, which does not go through. I'm showing you guys to be going back north on Hiwassee Road. You need to be headed south.
I think we're out of the hill.
Yeah, I'm headed south on Hiwassee.
Okay, yeah, if you're on Memorial and Hiwassee, you should be out of the hill right now. And you should be coming up on the southern edge of the storm. So if you go down south another 2 miles, you should be getting a pretty decent look at the southwestern edge of the storm.
Alright, I'm in a good spot where I can sit and watch.
Text Jonathan.
Alright, I'm in a good spot where I can sit and watch. Because it doesn't look like there's much here.
Do I have his?
Or we can continue south. That must look like a wall cloud.
Okay, the National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Oklahoma County, southeastern Logan County,
I got it.
and northwestern Lincoln County in central
I don't know if I'm
Oklahoma
still doing
until
live or not.
10:15. At 9:30, a severe thunderstorm is located on southeastern Edmond or near Arcadia, moving northeast at 30 miles
Well, that was
per hour.
interesting.
Hazard is 60-mile-per-hour wind gust, quarter-size hail. Source is radar indicated. Okay,
Let me see what the van looks like if I can find my hat.
City, Edmond, Chandler, Young, Luther, Weston,
Oh, it's right here.
Arcadia, Warwick, and Tower. In the broadcast.
In the broadcast.
Okay, 101. I
Paul.
don't know if you guys have radar, but looking at this latest scan, it looks like it's trying to block a bit to the east. But at the same time,
We're stopped.
Look right there. You got the red glow? Is that a wall cloud?
David says we should go down to Hefner Road.
Tell David
He said it's starting to turn east a little more.
That's okay. We will move in a minute. I think that's a wall cloud, Lynn.
Maybe you can't see anything on yours, can you?
No, I'm trying to get... With the lightning, you can see it. Might be a wall cloud over there if we can get some good lightning. Notice I said might be.
Don't worry about it. Currently, we're looking at what?
If we can get some lightning lined up.
I'm not going to listen, David. We are in a good location. We're okay. Right? He was walking the radar. We wouldn't have been there. Okay.
I can't. I don't know how to get on there.
Get your phone. Or hand me that one.
Not too much hail damage.
Now, be advised, we're looking at what may be a wall cloud.
Can't see it on the phone. So I am out.